This event has been fantastic. DTW 2025 has, as any other event in the industry, come with all the agentic AI, right? All the use cases that we are seeing in the industry. What is different in this event is that majority of these agentic AI use cases are tied to the network and how the telecommunication operators are going to monetize the investments that they have done across 5G and 6G, monetizing the network in use cases that helps the SMB industry and the existing customer base. And also here, there is the reason that a lot of the vendors and the partners and the business partners of these operators are coming with solutions to help these telecommunication companies to monetize those investments. I think I heard two phrases that really brought my attention in the morning. The first one was that AI is the new UI. So that means that all the new user experience is going to be driven by some sort of artificial intelligence with different proposals: sales, tourism, home use cases, network use cases. And the second one was that API is the new KPI. And that's the truth, right? Because every organization that wants to interact with the telecom operators will need to adopt these open API and ODA architectures to help operators to integrate their systems into the telco systems. So telcos are evolving from offering a telco portfolio into offering a digital service portfolio. They are digital enablers. They are providing all the support to the SMB and enterprises and organizations to operate their business, right? And in the way that they are evolving to telcos is that they operate now with a digital catalog. They provide managed services, they provide professional services, and they provide the network applied to those specific use cases that will support and enable the businesses of their partners, of their SMB customers, their enterprise customers. The second thing is that the architecture is also evolving. Telcos are using more and more open-defined architectures. They are using building blocks. They are using APIs with open standards like the TM Forum standard. They are using cloud-native applications. They are also consuming resources not only from their data centers and their network, but also from the hyperscalers, using the network of the hyperscaler to enable additional resources. So it's quite interesting the way that now the telcos are transforming and at the same time collaborating with the ecosystem. Talking about the evolution of the catalog of the telco, if we go 10 years ago, telcos were offering data plans, text messages, and this is an opportunity that still exists, but it's declining. It's still a revenue opportunity, but it's small and declining. Then 5 years ago, we saw the evolution into the 4G, LTE, and all these broadband and the over-the-top services and the managed services, and even the IoT, right? That we use at our homes, industries, and different proposals. Now, this is a great opportunity still. We are still in this transition period, but next, what's next? What is coming? And this is where we are seeing these bundles of very interesting type of services that are using the network, AI components, cloud services, hybrid cloud services, cybersecurity combined with the network, cybersecurity combined with AI agents. And we are seeing how telco operators now, in this path to monetize the 5G and 6G investments, are creating a catalog of solutions that will use the network, that will use network as a service, that will create these autonomous networks to provide the slices of the network on demand to the customers, to create this concept of SD-WAN, private networks, managed network in different levels, in different components, and everything attached to a meaningful solution that will sell for the SMB and enterprise market. So this is the racing and most accelerated opportunity that we are seeing today. CloudBlue is helping telcos into the digital transformation from 10 years ago. When telcos were still hosters, they still have data centers, they still provide these email and collaboration solutions. CloudBlue helping the first wave of transformation by automating the way that their customers were procuring, ordering, billing, provisioning all the solutions to the telco customers, right? So the full life cycle from when a customer comes, gets into the website of the telco, gets into a marketplace, see that there is an available offer, orders the offer, automates the provisioning, then creates the subscription, manages the subscription lifecycle, automates the subscription billing, and then delivers a service to the customer. In all this journey, CloudBlue has evolved not only in the catalog, now offering very advanced services that includes network slices, but also in the way that we are integrating now a recommendation engine. We are integrating now a data lake that includes all the information of the catalog and how the orders are being managed. We are evolving also into integrating our catalog into the hyperscalers, helping the telcos to include solutions and list solutions into the hyperscalers. So in all these monetization play, including the AI agentic play, CloudBlue is participating. For instance, in the Catalyst project that today CloudBlue is participating, that is called Accelerating Dynamic Marketplaces for Autonomous Networks. In this play, CloudBlue is using an AI agent to capture the order of a customer. Then CloudBlue is sending this for the vendor for provisioning, but the vendor is the network orchestrator. The vendor is the one that is going to provide the network slices, the VPN access side to side, side to cloud, cloud to cloud. And then CloudBlue is going to take care of the recurrency of the subscription going forward, of sending all the billing information to the telco systems, so then the telco can bill their customers. So it's quite fascinating, the journey that we have had with operators, helping them to transform the portfolio, the way they procure services, the way they bundle services, and now the way that they can interact with these AI agents for ordering, provisioning, and billing.